In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "sorry you have been blocked" error message on your mobile device. Now, this error usually relates to Cloudflare, and it usually occurs when Cloudflare blocks your connection from accessing the website. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean you have been banned. It could just mean that a certain region has been blocked, or it could be that you're using a VPN and that's also banned. So luckily, there are a couple of things that we can do to fix this. So the first thing you want to try doing is just coming over to the Settings app on your phone, and because this issue relates to your network connection, you want to come into Wi-Fi here, and we're going to try disabling our Wi-Fi. Head back over to Settings, come over to Mobile Service, and make sure you have mobile data turned on. So all we're doing here is trying to connect to our cellular data instead of our Wi-Fi. You can also try the vice versa, and you can try connecting to your Wi-Fi and turning off your cellular data. So sometimes just this alone can solve the issue. If that still doesn't work, then what you need to do is try changing your internet browser. So if you're currently using Safari, for example, then you can download the Google Chrome app and you can try accessing the website from here. Another thing you can try doing is opening the website in incognito mode. So to do that, you can just click on these three dots in the bottom right hand side and then click on New Incognito tab, and you can try accessing the website from this window here. So if you have tried changing browsers and you've tried changing between your cellular and Wi-Fi data, then if that's still not working, the last thing you want to do is head back over to the settings window, and we're going to scroll down and select General, scroll down again and select VPN and Device Management. Right at the top, you'll see VPN, and for me, it says not connected. Just make sure if you do have a VPN, you're also disconnected like so. Sometimes as well, you'll see all of your VPN profiles listed down at the bottom here. Also, make sure to go ahead and remove all of these, because sometimes what can happen, even though you're not connected to a VPN, sometimes it can still pull this VPN data and it can mess around with your browser. So make sure to delete all of your VPN profiles, and then once again, you can check if that's now solved the issue. And that's it, guys. Hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now fixed the "you have been blocked" error message. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.